Number 1. 1986 Chevrolet 2500, price $7,900, comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by a gasoline engine. It features a blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior, giving the truck a classic and well-preserved appearance. The vehicle carries a salvage rebuildable title. The engine currently has a misfire and 2 inactive cylinders. Basic troubleshooting has ruled out a spark-related issue, and the owner suspects it may be caused by a camshaft problem, although no further diagnosis has been performed. Despite the engine issue, there is no knocking noise present. Included with the truck is a spare 350 engine that the owner is willing to sell along with the vehicle. The spare engine has been stored on an engine stand for approximately 6 years. Overall, the truck is exceptionally clean for its age and is equipped with a desirable digital dashboard and a fully functional cold air conditioning system. Dealer paperwork is available, and the sale will be subject to applicable taxes and title fees. Number 2. 1994 Ford Ranger, price $5,000. This truck is powered by the reliable 3.0L Vulcan V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The truck has approximately 100,000 miles on the odometer and features a white exterior with a blue interior. Mechanically, the engine and transmission are in solid condition for its age. The truck starts on the first crank, shifts smoothly through all gears, and required very little work to get back on the road. Recent maintenance includes new front brake calipers on both sides, new caliper guide pins, new brake pads, and a new battery. One of the standout features is its strong, ice-cold air conditioning, making it a comfortable and dependable daily driver or light-duty work truck. The vehicle comes with a clean title in hand and is ready for its next owner. Number 3. 2001 Dodge Ram 1500, price $9,400. This truck is presented in exceptional condition and has been meticulously maintained throughout its life. With only 80,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup features a powerful V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The exterior is finished in an attractive red color, complemented by a clean and well-preserved gray interior. According to the owner, the truck has no accident history and remains in immaculate mechanical and cosmetic condition. The engine, transmission, and interior have all been exceptionally well cared for, making it a remarkable example considering its age and mileage. The vehicle spent the last 4 years stored in a garage and has recently received a complete service and tune-up, ensuring it is fully ready for its next owner. The truck has successfully passed its most recent smog inspection, and a clean title is in hand. Number 4. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500. Finished in a beige exterior with a matching beige interior, it presents a classic and well-cared-for appearance. Powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, the truck runs smoothly and delivers strong performance. With only 92,000 original miles on the odometer, it has been carefully maintained and remains in excellent mechanical condition. The truck features a solid body, great tires, strong brakes, and ice-cold air conditioning. Everything functions as it should, including all lights and essential components. It starts easily, runs perfectly, and provides a comfortable driving experience. Whether needed as a dependable work truck or a reliable daily driver, this Chevrolet C1500 is ready to go and has plenty of life left to offer. Number 5. 1996 Ford F-150, price $5,600, powered by the legendary 4.9L inline-6 engine, paired with a desirable 5-speed manual transmission. With 223,000 miles on the odometer, this truck continues to run and drive great, reflecting the durability and reliability that these classic Ford trucks are known for. Finished in a blue exterior with a clean gray interior, the truck presents very well for its age. The interior has been kept in immaculate condition, showing minimal wear and providing a comfortable driving experience. The engine has been rebuilt, giving added confidence in its performance and longevity. Recent maintenance and upgrades include a new clutch cylinder and a brand new set of tires, helping ensure smooth operation and dependable road manners. Tinted windows add both style and comfort, while the gasoline-powered drivetrain delivers the straightforward, reliable performance that many truck enthusiasts appreciate. Number 6. 1997 Ford F-250, price $5,700. Great running truck that has been well maintained and is ready for its next owner. With 123,000 miles on the odometer, it offers a solid balance of proven reliability and plenty of life left to enjoy. Powered by the legendary 7.5L big block gasoline engine and paired with a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, this truck delivers strong performance, smooth driving characteristics, and the durability that Ford trucks from this era are known for. The truck features a clean white exterior matched with a blue interior, giving it a classic and timeless appearance. It is a 2WD model that drives well and remains a dependable option for daily use, light hauling, weekend projects, or general transportation needs. To add even more value, it has recently been fitted with a brand new set of BF Goodrich Co. 03 tires. Number 7. 1995 Dodge Ram 2500, price $5,000, powered by a strong 5.9L V8 gasoline engine paired with a desirable manual transmission. It has 172,000 miles on the odometer and features a green exterior with a gray interior. The truck runs and drives great, making it a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable heavy-duty pickup. The paint is beginning to lose some of its clear coat, and there is minor rust above the bedwheel wells, which is typical for a truck of this age. Despite these cosmetic imperfections, the vehicle remains mechanically sound and hard to beat for a dependable manual transmission 3/4-ton truck. The air conditioning works exceptionally well and blows ice cold, adding to the overall comfort and usability of this classic Dodge Ram. Number 8. 1993 Ford F-150, price $3,750, powered by a 6-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a desirable 5-speed manual transmission. Showing 193,000 miles on the odometer, it runs and drives great and is ready to go back to work. The truck features a 2-wheel drive drivetrain, an 8-foot bed equipped with a bedliner, a green exterior, and an interior that remains functional and comfortable for daily use. According to its owner, the truck has always been garage kept, which is evident in the condition of both the body and undercarriage. Originally red, it was later refinished in green and continues to present well for its age. As a classic vehicle, it qualifies for classic car insurance, which can cost only a few $100s per year, and in New York State it benefits from a reduced inspection fee of just $10 with no emissions testing required. Number 9. 1990 GMC Sierra, price $4,500, powered by a fuel-efficient V6 gasoline engine. It has 90,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The truck features a clean white exterior paired with a blue interior. The vehicle runs and drives very well with no warning lights on the dashboard, no mechanical issues, and no fluid leaks. It has proven to be reliable for daily use while offering good fuel economy. A modern CarPlay-compatible stereo has been installed for added convenience and entertainment. The truck has passed smog inspection without any issues, and its registration is current through 2027. It has a clean title, is not a salvage vehicle, and the pink slip is in hand, making it ready for a smooth and hassle-free sale. Number 10. 2000 Chevrolet 2500, price $3,500. This truck has 280,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission and a gasoline engine. It features a tan exterior paired with a charcoal interior. The truck is a 4x4 model that runs and drives well. The interior is in good condition overall, with the exception of a tear in the driver's seat. While the vehicle is not in poor shape, it is also not in excellent condition. It has some rust issues, including rocker panels and corners that were previously replaced but have rusted through again. The underside is also fairly rusty, so it may require some work before being used to pull a heavy gooseneck trailer.